Apigate as a next generation API platform already has a mature business when it comes to large OTTs, content providers, CPs, apps that are connected to the platform and monetizing into many mobile network operators around the world that we are connected.
For me as a developer to implement like whatever Apigate solution they have or API to integrate with whatever systems I'm working on. So that will help me a lot to find better solutions for my applications as a developer.
I'm very happy I attended because I learned so many things. It was very simplified and easy to understand. So we are looking at actually putting our learning service and all of our My Mobile University service onto Apigate.
I want to improvise our app using like notification and SMS if you want to like verification code and then like geolocation. So there's a lot of things I can use with the Apigate.